If you're looking for a car loan in 2026, you may have heard about Lendbuzz. The company advertises fast approvals, AI-based credit decisions, and financing options even for people with limited credit history. But before applying, an important question comes up. Is Lendbuzz the loan company you actually need in 2026, or should you be cautious? Let's break it down. First, Lendbuzz is a financial technology company founded in 2015 and headquartered in Boston. Its main business is providing auto loans for people who may struggle to get approved by traditional banks, including immigrants, international students, or borrowers with little credit history, instead of relying only on traditional credit scores. The company uses AI and machine learning models to analyze other financial data and determine whether someone can afford a loan. This alternative approach allows them to approve borrowers that banks might reject. Another key point is that Lendbuzz typically works through car dealerships rather than directly with consumers. When someone tries to buy a car and doesn't qualify for financing through a bank, the dealership may offer a Lendbuzz loan as an alternative. One of the biggest advantages of Lendbuzz is accessibility. For people who are new to the United States or who don't have an established credit score yet, getting a traditional auto loan can be very difficult. Lendbuzz was specifically designed to serve this group of borrowers and help them build credit over time. The company has also grown significantly in recent years. In 2026, Lendbuzz continues expanding its lending operations and funding programs, including securitization deals worth hundreds of millions of dollars backed by auto loans. This shows that the company is a real and established fintech lender, not a fake loan service. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. One common complaint from borrowers is high interest rates. Because Lendbuzz often approves customers with limited credit history, the loans may come with higher interest compared to traditional bank financing. Online reviews are also mixed. For example, the company has received relatively low ratings on some review platforms, with users complaining about customer service issues, credit inquiries, or expensive loan terms. Some borrowers also say that dealership financing can make the total cost of the car significantly higher over time, especially if the interest rate is high. So, is Lendbuzz the loan company you need in 2026? The honest answer is, it depends on your situation. If you already have good credit and can qualify for a traditional bank, loan, or credit union financing, those options will usually offer lower interest rates and better terms. But if you're someone who has little or no credit history, such as a newcomer to the US or a young borrower trying to build credit, Lendbuzz can be a legitimate alternative when other lenders say no. In short, Lendbuzz is not a scam. It's a real fintech lender that uses AI to approve auto loans for underserved borrowers. However, like many alternative lenders, the convenience and accessibility may come with higher costs and stricter repayment terms. If this review helped you understand whether Lendbuzz is worth considering, let me know in the comments. Would you finance a car through a fintech lender? Or do you prefer traditional banks for loans?